Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Modular Street Special Token in Heartopia. So you are able to get it by completing some of the festival event quest here. If you scroll down, it says complete personal goals once in a special breakfish event. So you'll get some from there. And then once you've completed the said events, sometimes you'll get it like by and sometimes you'll get it via like the rewards of the event itself. So you'll get the special tokens and the like gacha eggs as well. So let's go to the festival store here. So if you press on the like token, you'll see where you get it from. It says Modular Street Special Events. So by joining the events, you will get randomly the like special token if you want it. So yeah, that is how you can get the Modular Street Special Token in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!